Hi, I'm John, a graphic designer at JDS Industries, here to tell you about digital flyers you can download, personalize, and use to promote your business. Let's get started. Go to www.jdsindustries.com. Click on Dealer Login. After you've signed in with your username and password, click on the Marketing tab, located in the gray menu, here. This will take you to the JDS Retail Marketing Made Easy website. Once on Retail Marketing Made Easy, make your way to the Editable PDF Flyers icon and click on it. JDS provides this convenient link to Editable, an FTP server that allows you to access editable flyers anytime you wish. For ease of use, we've included a file with instructions. It will be here for you if you need it. You'll also find several PDFs that can be downloaded. They feature different lines of Polar Camel drinkware and personalizable ornaments. You'll also see a folder with flyers specifically designed for fundraisers. Once you find the flyer you want to download, click on the file name. It will begin downloading automatically. For some of you, the file will automatically open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. If it doesn't, that is the program we'll want to use. The areas of the flyer you can edit are highlighted. To edit the flyers, click on the highlighted text. Add your retail price, business name, and contact information. If there is information you wish to remove from the flyer, simply select the text and delete it. When you're done, save the flyer to your computer or network. The flyer is now ready for you to use. Print it, mail it, email it, share it on social media, whatever works best for you and your business. JDS strives to make marketing easier for you, and we hope the editable digital flyers will help you successfully promote your business and sell more products. If you don't have a login to our website, call the number below. We'll walk you through the quick and easy process of opening an account. Thanks for watching.